have a super exciting recipe for you today. It's smashed avocado bruschetta with feta cheese and Thai basil. This is a great dish. Avocados this time of year are really buttery, they're full of flavor. Also, it's just a really simple recipe. It could be a tapas dish, it could just be an hors d'oeuvre at home, or just something to start off dinner. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these in half because we want to get the seed out. And look at that, they're just so oily right now and ripe. Great, so we got the avocado out of the husk and they're just absolutely perfectly ripened. Next, we're gonna smash them a little bit with the fork. We're gonna also put a little bit of our Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil that I just use on absolutely everything. Also have a fresh lemon that we're gonna cut in half and juice, and some salt and pepper, really simple. Now, we want to leave it semi-chunky, not quite like as if you'd make a guacamole or something like that. All right, looks nice and smashed. Beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze some of this fresh backyard lemon into our smashed avocado and just kind of scrape the seeds out with your fork. And then what I like to do is just put my fork into it and squeeze. Great. Gonna stir that in. Now I'm going to season it. A little pepper, good amount of salt, and some tiger spice. So we have this beautiful Irby's tiger spice. So with 2 avocados, I usually like to do about 1.5 teaspoons, but you can always go a little bit more. This stuff's great on avocados, on vegetables. Has nigella seed in it, which goes great with avocado. It's paprika. So we're gonna stir that in. I'm gonna taste it. Yummy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some plastic wrap snug on the top of it so it doesn't oxidize. All right, our avocado's over there. It's tightly wrapped so it doesn't get oxidized. Here we have a beautiful sourdough baguette. We're gonna cut some pieces for the bruschetta. Another thing I wanted to say on this is when you do your pieces, just do them about 1 finger thick and about 1 finger wide. Gonna grab my mini sheet pan. Just get them on there. Then I got our Williamson Wines famous garlic butter that we use on a couple things during our lunches. I'm gonna throw this in the microwave and we're gonna soften this up. Garlic butter is so beautiful. Has lime juice, shallots, parsley, tons and tons of garlic, a little bit of smoked paprika. When you're doing the toast, you can go light, you can go heavy. This stuff is so good. I'd probably go a little bit heavier than usual. And just do each one. I feel like if you use a pastry brush, you don't get enough on there. And who doesn't like garlic butter? Great. So I'm doing the last one now. And then we're gonna go into a 375-degree oven for about 5 minutes. We want the bread not to be hard at all. We want it to be very spongy and crispy and edible. You know, I feel like when people do a lot of bruschettas, they get the bread too hard and it kind of hurts your teeth. Going in. All right, I could smell that the bread's done. You can smell the garlic, you can smell the herbs. Let's pull it out. Yes. Gorgeous. Exactly how we want it. Just a little crunch to it, but still soft. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Okay, we have our smashed avocado that I put in a nice plastic bowl so it doesn't oxidize. And we're gonna go ahead and start plating this dish. So we're gonna go ahead and put the smashed avocado on our bread, our garlic bread. And don't be shy with it. It smells like spring. Great. Now we have our beautiful, just local, run-of-the-mill crumbled feta cheese right here. I'm gonna put a little bit on each one. Great, now we're gonna plate it. Got our Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil. Some beautiful in-season Thai basil. And now we're just going to do some big rips of this, just big torn leaves. Then we're also going to garnish it with a little bit more Irby's Tiger Spice. All right, we plated the avocado bruschetta. This is an absolute simple recipe, and it's really unique. You can smell the Thai basil, and the Tiger Spice brings out the brightness of the plate.